Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Gyan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now today we are going to see the some trigonometric examples which are depends on the chapter trigonometry. See the example: if tan theta equal to 1, then find the value of sin theta plus cos theta divided by sec theta plus cosec theta. Now in this example only tan theta equal to 1 is given. Now from this tan theta equal to 1 we find out the value of theta. Tan theta equal to 1, that is the given, but we know that tan 45 equal to 1. So compare these two, then we can write down theta equal to 45. Then we write down the value of sin theta means sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Cos theta equal to cos 45, its value is 1 by root 2. Then sec theta equal to sec 45 and value of sec 45 is root 2. Then cosec theta equal to cosec 45 and value of this cosec 45 is root 2. Put this value in this equation and solve it. So we write down sin theta plus cosec theta divided by sec theta plus cosec theta equal to sin 45 plus cos 45 divided by sec 45 plus cosec 45. Now put the values of the sin 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Then sec 45 is root 2 plus cosec 45 is root 2. Now take the sum of this numerator. We take a cross multiplication, that is the root 2 into 1. We get root 2. Then this root 2 into 1 again root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2. Then this root 2 plus root 2 is nothing but twice root 2, twice root 2. Then the sum of this numerator is root 2 plus root 2 is again 2 root 2 divided by 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 as it is. Sum of these two is 2 under root 2 divided by this product of root 2 into root 2. Now this root 2 and this root 2 cancel, means in numerator there is 2 divided by root 2 and it's again divided by this 2 root 2 as it is. Now we can put here 1. Then we take inverse of this and multiply to the numerator, that is this numerator is 2 divided by root 2, 2 divided by root 2 into this denominator. We take this one in numerator and this in denominator. So 1 by 2 into root 2. This 2 and this 2 cancel, means 1 upon root 2 into root 2. This root 2 into root 2 means in 1 by under root 4. The product of this we can write down like this, 1 upon root 4. Then the square root of 4 is 2. So we write down 1 by 2. The value of this equation is 1 by 2. Now this sum of numerator and denominator is like this. We can put this under root 2 denominator is the same, so we write down one of the denominator, one root 2 only. Then sum of this numerator 1 plus 1 divided by 1 of these 2 is 1 of this is under root 2. Then this root 2 plus root 2 is twice into root 2. Now 1 plus 1 2. So we write down here 2 upon under root 2, 2 upon under root 2 into product of this, we take inverse of this and multiply to the numerator. So we inverse it 1 upon 2 into root 2. So this 2 cancel, then 1 upon root 2 into root 2. 1 upon root 2 into root 2 means 1 upon under root 4, means square root of this 4 is 2. So we write down 1 by 2. You can solve this equation like this. We can take a sum of this number, rational number, like this or in this way. Good day, goodbye, okay.